I don't really have another unboxing for you. I do have one of the holy trinities of Hermes's handbags. It is Hermes Constance. I definitely want to tell you more about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my first luxury. Vivian here. I am super happy if you are a return viewer of our channel, or if you're watching the first video, welcome. First of all, I wanted to say thank you so much for those who left us really encouraging comments. I am forever grateful for your time and for putting something out there for us to see. That's one of the reasons why my first luxury exists. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. Thank you. If you're not familiar with Hermes handbags, don't worry about it because that's what we are talking about on this platform. I also have learned my knowledge somewhere, so I am going to be telling you guys all of it so you don't have to worry about anything. I'm gonna get into the details now. In regards of this bag, I have so much to say. Hermes Constance come in a few sizes and some of them are discontinued. This is the size 24. This is a different textured leather and also hardware. In the recent years, because of the rise and fall of Hermes handbags, mostly rises for them. The trend is right now everybody is super into little bags or smaller bags. So the size 18 of the Constance is very hot, and so are the Hermes Birkin 25. Let's just take a closer look at her. Constance in the Epsom leather with the gold hardware, and believe it or not, Epsom leather is actually made from the calf skin and the print on there is embossed, so it's printed onto or it's pressed into the original smooth leather. This way it creates a texture so the leather can be used for longer periods of time without showing signs of wearing or scratching or anything. But obviously it's an expensive leather piece, so we want to take care of it. For here, we got the gold hardware, which is beautiful. And believe it or not, the first time when I saw this bag, I was asking my friend, how do you open it? So I don't know if you have the same concern. And I thought, oh, maybe it's one of those buckle thing where you pinch and pull, you can open it. But it's actually designed very simply. I was shown to open it this way. And basically you just pull it. So I'm gonna demonstrate. So voila, there it opens the handbag. The inside of this mechanism here, it's very interesting. So it basically just impression half over here, and then you just basically fit that into the ball. So that's how you open it. We have the brand impression here. I believe all Hermes handbags are made in Paris. And what I really loved about this bag is when you open it, this beautiful, supple, smoothest leather that I have touched is on the inside as the lining of the handbag. And then we have two big compartments that separated the bag. And in the front compartment, we have a little side pocket here for things of your choice. And on the inside of the compartment, it's just a compartment with leather zipper pocket in the back. And you can open it up, and I think nobody has really used this, so the leather is still so beautiful. And I also like how the hardware matches the hardware on the outside. And we have a zipper pull here. The leather tab is made with the same leather as the exterior of the bag, so it's a really cute detail. And as I take a closer inspection, I suspect that I found something here. Let me pull it out. Hold on. When you find a penny that's head up anywhere, it's a lucky coin. So there we go, a lucky penny. Now the side of it. This bag is really simple, and I think every time when you look at a designer piece, you really have to give them credit for designing the bag like throughout, and everything makes sense. So this is the side compartments that separated the inside of the bag, that created 2 compartments, and it's a very structured bag, which I love. So you know, you don't want to overstuff it and then make the bag go out of its own shape. The back of the bag is also rather simple. It's one piece of leather that pretty much folded in from the back to the front and sewed to the sides to create this beautiful piece. And this is the other side, and we're coming to the front. Another really important detail as I use it is that I noticed this beautiful leather strap is also obviously made from one piece of leather, and whenever you slide it through the hinge over here, it's always effortless whenever you do that. It's very smooth. Every detail is perfect. As I said, the details are so important and it's very seamless. Besides the stitchings that run on both sides of the leather, I find 3 little stitchings next to each other. It's very hard to actually see that that's where the beginning and the end of the strap are joined by each other. But if you look closely, you can see that in the middle, that's where they separated. Beautiful. Sitting over here right now, being able to review a handbag is a great feeling because I didn't have to go through all of the processes of sourcing this bag, but at the same time I really look forward to getting my very own first Hermes handbag. So if you guys want to stay tuned, make sure you follow us on social media. We do daily postings. Oh, this is so gorgeous, and this red color can just like pull off an outfit, even though my first impression of it is that it's a little bit big, but once I sorted things out and I wore it, I just think it's like one of those bags that's like, it's really better than what I thought it is. And I like how sleek the handles are. One of the very important things is that Hermes design is really minimalistic, and that's why people like it, because you know, if you want a handbag, you get a handbag, but at the same time you really get these iconic elements on the design of the bag, which is very rare. I want to show you guys what this size actually looks like on me, so let's go. And then if you want to wear it in the full length, this strap is definitely long enough for you to wear as a crossbody. This is what crossbody looks like. Whether or not you like high street style or you like more dressy. I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video to this point. We're going to be rolling out a lot more luxury reviews videos like this, so make sure that we're connected. Subscribe button is right there. I'll give you a second to click on it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!